Hello everyone, I am Tamon Allen, and 23 years ago I started my Sandals journey as a server at the famous Sandals Duns River. My journey has been an amazing one, filled with an abundance of opportunities over the years. I've worked in several different departments, including front office, food and beverage, club sandals, and butler service in many of our beautiful resorts across the Caribbean. I've held the positions of Regional Manager for Butler Service, Operations Manager, Hotel Manager, and now I have the privilege of being the General Manager of the newest, most amazing resort, the gem of the Caribbean, Sandals, St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Words cannot begin to express how thrilled I am to be a part of this, to be a leader on this Sandals 2.0 journey. I am giving it everything I have. My heart, my soul, because this is exactly what our late founder, Mr. Gordon Booth Stewart, would have expected. And we here at Sandals, St. Vincent and the Grenadines are exceeding those expectations. I am Sandals yesterday, today, and tomorrow. One love.